Cybersecurity, a beginner's guide for students by Emmanuel AI. Navigate the digital world safely with essential cybersecurity knowledge. Understand risks and protect yourself effectively. Note, 95% of breaches stem from human errors. Attacks happen every 39 seconds globally. What is cybersecurity? It focuses on confidentiality, integrity, and availability confidentiality. Roughly equivalent to privacy, confidentiality measures are designed to prevent sensitive information from unauthorized access attempts. Integrity. The consistency, accuracy, and trustworthiness of data must be maintained over its entire life cycle. Availability. Information should be consistently and readily accessible for authorized parties. This involves properly maintaining hardware and technical infrastructure and systems that hold and display the information. Cybersecurity is crucial for safeguarding sensitive data, ensuring business continuity, maintaining customer trust, and contributing to a secure digital ecosystem. It protects against cyber attacks, data breaches, and other malicious activities that can compromise systems, steal information, and cause significant damage. Who is responsible for cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility within any organization, from the CEO to every employee. While senior leadership in specific roles like the CISO or CIO have primary responsibilities, everyone has a role to play in maintaining a secure environment. Common cybersecurity threats. Common cybersecurity threats include malware, phishing, denial of service attacks, ransomware, social engineering, and data breaches. These threats can compromise sensitive information, disrupt operations, and result in financial and reputational damage. Cybersecurity best practices. Cybersecurity best practices include using strong, unique passwords, enabling multi-factor authentication, keeping software updated, securing networks, and educating employees. Regularly backing up data, monitoring for suspicious activity, and having an incident response plan are also crucial. Best practices, phishing awareness. To enhance phishing awareness, organizations should implement a multifaceted approach, including strong security protocols, employee training, and regular phishing simulations. This involves educating employees on identifying suspicious emails, using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, and promptly reporting suspected phishing attempts. Additionally, organizations should leverage technology like DNS filtering and email encryption to bolster their defenses. In conclusion, cybersecurity protects sensitive data, like customer information and trade secrets, against unauthorized access and comprise. Implementing a cybersecurity program is also a mandatory requirement of many regulations and data privacy laws. Thank you for watching.